me the marks.
Okay, ma'am, I'm coming in a minute.
Abdullah also has not sent. Yesterday's marks.
I gave it.
Not in chat. Chat ka record I don't have, na? Send it to me on Google Classroom.
In Google Classroom, I sent my reply to you.
Acha, you sent later?
You gave me the mail, so I did.
Ma'am, we have to write in private comment or class comment.
Private comment with your paper. Where you have submitted your paper, na? There you send. Okay, you have
Okay,
sent, right?
No, ma'am, I did not send.
You have not
I'm
sent?
sending now. I'm
Okay,
sending now. I sent just now.
Okay. Okay, so we'll continue today. How much you have written? Have you written anything in last chapter?
We wrote about
Yes, ma'am.
we wrote about balanced diet.
And we wrote about function of nutrition.
Okay.
We wrote about
function,
macronutrients.
separate function of protein and fats and carbohydrate you have not written, na?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so that also will need. Let me see. And we were doing deficiency diseases, right? We did some of the deficiency diseases. Okay, write down everyone. Function of fat.
Ma'am, can you share screen?
Okay, just. Abdullah, make me the host so that I can share the screen. First, I'll share the chapter, okay? Chapter may let me see if it is given or not, function. If it is not given.
Ma'am, we also wrote about micronutrients and macronutrients.
That you have written, but separate functions.
Micronutrients needed in small quantity, example, minerals and vitamins.
Okay.
And macronutrients are needed in large quantities like carbohydrate,
right, that I gave you yesterday. So now whiteboard where I'm going to give you the function separate functions of this protein, carbohydrate and fat mainly. Okay, so first of all, function of protein. Okay, why protein is required by our body? Protein is used for making new cells. Okay, proteins provide the chemical substances needed to build cells and tissues.
Ma'am, what chemical substances?
Such as enzymes and
Ma'am, we don't have to write cells and tissues.
already written protein is used for making new cells and tissues. यहाँ पे ही लिख देंगे, ठीक है? Making new cells and tissues, just add here only. Okay. Second में provides the chemical substances such as enzymes and antibodies.
Ma'am, what is antibodies?
Antibodies are like soldiers in our body which fight the entry of any foreign elements in our body. ठीक है? तो कोई भी whenever you fall sick, तो when you fall sick, what happens? Some infection has taken place in your body, some foreign substance has entered in your body. So your body develops some antibodies to fight that bacteria or virus. Okay. और वो फाइट करता है एंड सो दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट ना, तो उसको बनाने के लिए फॉर मेकिंग दो सब्सटेंसेस प्रोटीन इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
Ma'am, what about enzymes? I don't know what is enzyme.
Enzymes are also chemical substances which help in many reactions to take place in our body. जो बॉडी में reactions होते हैं उसके लिए, ठीक है?
Ma'am, so proteins help these antibodies and enzymes grow or become more strong.
So enzymes formation में they help. Enzyme formation and antibodies के formation में protein is required. Okay. Enzymes like pepsin, trypsin, these are enzymes which helps in digestion. तो ऐसे ही many enzymes are there in our body which are responsible for various processes taking place in our body. तो उनको बनाने के लिए प्रोटीन लगता है. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Cells can use sometime protein energy भी supply करता है. Okay. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, wait 2 minutes. Ma'am, wait 2 minutes.
Next, start writing. Those who have already completed, write function of carbohydrate.
Only 3 functions of protein.
Yeah, 3 functions.
Can you see as carbohydrate?
Yeah, can I change the page now? Can I
Yes.
change the page?
Carbohydrates after that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so I'm writing now. functions of carbohydrate. Can you tell me what are the functions?
Gives energy.
Correct. Major function वही है. First one. Primary function of carbohydrate or the main function of carbohydrate to provide energy to our body. Anything else that we can write? Also, it stores energy, produces energy, and carbohydrate stores energy also. ठीक है?
It stores, produces, and gives out.
And storing of energy, fat also does. ठीक है?
Ma'am, does any of the nutrients reduce energy?
Produce energy. Produce
Reduce.
energy.
Ma'am, reduce.
Reduce energy. Too much of anything will reduce your energy. Too much of fat in your body, too much of carbohydrate. Okay?
Ma'am,
that-
some carbohydrates can be used for bone structure or
Carbohydrate
Or
can
like-
be used for what?
bone structuring or the parts of body.
Stores energy, then it helps in just a minute, my pen just gets stuck something. Okay, so these are the main functions. Macromolecules means molecules like protein, fat. In building these also, it carbohydrate helps. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the main function. Next is what? Function of.
Wait, ma'am, can you go back for a second?
Okay, complete it. The functions are important.
Done, ma'am.
Completed, Rashta?
Ma'am, I did not understand this part. Like proteins, fats, etc.
Which one?
Ma'am,
Acha,
the last one is
example.
example which you gave. now.
Building macromolecules like proteins, fats, etc. Okay.
After functions of carbohydrate,
And what is
which
macromolecule?
usually are
Carbohydrate
doing
make proteins and fats.
It is
Macromolecules are
helps in
protein
bigger
and fats.
molecules. Okay. Bigger macromolecules. So these are macromolecules now. So it helps in building. Not it is
Macromolecules and
Ma'am, but we
macronutrients
can
are the
get
same
the,
thing.
yeah.
ma'am, but we can get proteins and fat directly from the food now. Carbohydrate does not need to make it.
Yeah. See, it helps in building proteins. So protein you are getting from food also. It is supported by the carbohydrate also. Okay.
Ma'am, macromolecules and macronutrients are the same thing.
Actually, nucleic acid you should write. What you asked, Amina?
Macromolecules and macronutrients are the same thing.
Macronutrient, no, it is not same thing. Macromolecule,
Macronutrients have
see, macro means big. Okay, so macro molecules means big molecules. Nutrients means nutrients required in large quantity. Understood? Or large you can say. Got it? Macro का मतलब ये होता है. Nucleic acid you write. Can we shift to the next page? Function.
and what acid you told?
Nucleic acid. That is also an example of macromolecule.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ये थोड़ा high level है. You will not understand, but लिख लिया. I gave you. ठीक है. Function of fats. Fats are useful as
Pleasure.
long storage, na? Storage of energy.
Yes.
For longer duration, energy is stored as fat. Okay. So long-term storage of energy.
Ma'am, when we run, for after running for some time, why does it pain in our stomach? Like
Pain in your
above our
stomach.
no, no,
Okay.
above
If
our
it is
stomach,
empty
like we
stomach or
feel like
your full stomach, depends on that also. If you have too much water taken in and then you are running, then sometimes it happens, na? Stomach pain. So empty stomach में run करोगे, so you will not have pain. Or if you run faster. Okay, written first.
yes, ma'am, written.
Cell membrane, non-membrane.
What is membrane?
Membrane means covering of a cell, outer covering of a cell. ठीक है?
Okay.
Ma'am, is that insulting or insulating?
Insulating. अरे insulting. Insulating. ठीक है अभी? Insulating body temperature. ठीक है? So fat is helpful in protecting your body from very cold temperatures. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. In winter season, that's why people drink hot chocolate.
Okay, done. So all the three functions, major function. Now I'll give you function of fiber also. Okay. That is also macro protein. Vitamins, so you know vitamins require in small quantities. So let us write first of all function of roughage or fiber. Okay. What is roughage, or what it is also called as roughage? Huh? So first of all, what is roughage? I'll write that, and then same paragraph we'll write that. Okay. Fiber can be found in.
Ma'am, we have to. These are the functions.
So these, first of all, I'm writing what is fiber, and then what is the function.
That's RON, na? That RON.
ROUGHAGE. Okay. I'll rub it and write it once again. Roughage. It is called as roughage or fiber. So fiber can be found in now cell wall of plant has got cell wall. Okay, animal में cell membrane होता है. Cell wall जो होता है, the plant cell has got a cell wall which has cellulose in it. It is not there in animal cell. ठीक है? So that is why it is, when we eat plants or green vegetables or whatever is a plant product, we get this fiber which is not digested by our body because वो हमारी body में है नहीं. ठीक है? But in small intestine. Okay, I'll write and then I'll explain. The cell wall of plants okay, this is a different thing. It is not present in animal. Cellulose, okay, which is actually a carbohydrate. Cellulose के बाद comma मत डालो, which is a carbohydrate. Just write down so that it is clear also. Of cellulose, which is a carbohydrate.
And after cell wall of plants consist of what you wrote?
Cellulose, which is a carbohydrate. Okay. That can't be digested in our body. We don't have enzyme responsible for that. Okay. Enzyme is responsible for all the reactions. So, therefore, cellulose will go directly to our large intestine. Okay. directly to, ये L है हाँ, directly to large intestine and will be digested by bacteria that live in it.
Ma'am, what is that? Therefore, cell.
Therefore, cellulose will go directly to our large intestine and will be digested by bacteria that live in it. Okay. Next is then it also helps. So cellulose is very important. It helps in digestion. Should I write in the next page?
Ma'am, I didn't understand what live in it means.
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, where does the bacteria live? I don't understand.
This bacteria is in intestine. Okay. So ye bacteria, because we don't have any enzyme in our body for which could help in digestion of cellulose. So cellulose will go directly into the large intestine because there is a bacteria in the large intestine which helps in the digestion of cellulose. Okay.
But
that
ma'am,
is
we
why-
have enzymes, na? You said.
We have enzymes for different substance ka digestion ke liye we have different enzymes. Okay. Understood. Protein hai ya carbohydrate hai, so we have different enzymes for different substance ka digestion. Okay.
Ma'am, but the plant cellulose will be digested by
What did you ask, Yahya?
Ma'am, I asked that the cellulose will be that will
If anyone can understand what he's asking, please let me know.
Yeah, repeat what you said.
Ma'am, I was telling that
Huh.
the cellulose will be digested by the stomach, right? Because it has acid that can.
Acid is there, digestion takes, see, digestion is a long process. It starts from the mouth only. Okay. So some parts start getting digested in the mouth. Some part gets digested in stomach. Some part gets digested in small intestine. Some of the part of the food get digested in large intestine, like fat get digested in small intestine, protein gets digested in stomach. Okay. So carbohydrate ka digestion mouth se start ho jata hai. Okay. So this way all parts are getting digested at various places. Why? Because digestion ke liye the things required are present in those organs. Understood? So when we study alimentary canal digestive system in detail, you will understand it. Okay. So cellulose को ज्यादा टाइम लगता है because ये सीधा large intestine में जाके digest होता है. Then also helps in the movement of waste through the digestive tract.
Ma'am, cellulose is a carbohydrate,
Yes.
so we eat it.
Yes, we eat it ना. Plant खाते हैं ना हम लोग. Vegetables you eat, plant products we eat ना. So
Yes.
plant cell has got cellulose in it.
Ma'am, is that word move or more?
Movement. through the digestive tract. Okay, so this is a function of fiber. Completed?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is tract?
Pathways.
We have written CTS.
TRACTS, tract. वो वाला वही होता है tract, because हमारे pipes होते हैं ना, so those are tracts.
Okay, ma'am, done.
Done? So what is,
Ma'am, just a sec.
okay. Okay, now last you can write water, function of water.
Ma'am, this was only the function.
Yes, helps in digestion and second movement of waste throughout the digestive tract. Okay. Function of water you can write.
Ma'am, water keeps us hydrated. Ma'am, why
And-
can't we live without water?
Ma'am, water helps our kidney.
Our body consists of 60-70% of water. Water helps in everything, in movement, in that I am writing now. Okay. Anything gets dissolved in water and it is moved from one part of body to other. Okay.
Ma'am,
See,
this sentence starting from salts, we have to write in next point.
No,
Or
water,
it
no,
is-
no, comma, food, salt, vitamin, and excretory products. See, these things cannot move throughout our body as a solid. So it gets dissolved in the water and then it is transported throughout the body. Okay.
Ma'am, what did you told?
Excretory products.
Ma'am, what is
Excretory products. Excretory. Excretory means जो waste product बाहर निकलता है. Excess, एक minute, let me write. Excess salt and urea, EXCE. Salt and urea. Okay, you know that these excess salts are not required, and urea products, this is a waste product. So these things are transported from जहाँ पे भी release होता है, from there it is transported to excretory organ, excretory system. You know what are the excretory organs in our body, and from there it is ejected out of the body. Okay.
Ma'am, is it C or is it C or E? Excretory.
XC. Excretion.
Ma'am, what do you have to written in Excel?
Removing waste product from our body. Done?
Ma'am, what after salt? See excess salt and what is that?
Urea. Urea is also waste product. Okay, body में यूरिया ज्यादा हो जाता है, that means, or that
We have
means
to write this bracket also.
infection or something
is
is
the
there.
spelling of it?
U
What is the
R
spelling of
A. Okay, can I stop sharing now? So these are the important functions of all the macromolecules that you should know. Vitamins, you already know. Deficiency, it is required in small amount, but deficiency of these vitamins can lead to diseases. Deficiency means lack or lack of those vitamins in your body can lead to various diseases. Yesterday we studied like vitamin A की deficiency होती है तो night blindness होती है. So that is why you should eat more and more vitamin A rich food like carrot.
carrot?
Yeah. Okay, can I stop sharing now? Vitamin C deficiency से क्या होता है? Yesterday we had studied which disease is caused.
Rickets, ma'am, rickets, iron.
Vitamin
lack of
C.
iron.
No,
Acha,
no,
wait, what is
vitamin
vitamin C? What is
Vitamin C deficiency, I'm asking.
Ma'am, that nahin.
Scurvy.
Scurvy, yes. Vitamin C deficiency से scurvy होता है, and rickets is caused by vitamin D deficiency. Okay.
Yeah.
Iron deficiency से क्या होता है?
I'm pigeon leg or something.
Iron deficiency से you know ना, hemoglobin में if iron is not there तो hemoglobin नहीं बनता है. So anemia is there. Okay. Anemia is iron deficiency.
Hemoglobin.
Yes. So yesterday,
Ma'am, is hemoglobin?
what? Hemoglobin what?
What is
Ma'am,
hemoglobin?
Hemoglobin is a pigment in our blood which is required for transfer of oxygen throughout our body. Okay, because hemoglobin say oxygen gets attached to form oxyhemoglobin and it moves through the blood. You know, blood is also responsible for transport system. Okay, so blood ke through it moves throughout our body and oxygen is supplied. और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वहां से लेके इट इज रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी. ओके, तो हेमोग्लोबिन
will you give us to learn
व्हाट?
the vitamin D and vitamin A deficiencies?
It is given in the textbook. Table is there, so that is why I'm not giving you. Iron
Ma'am.
deficiency, anemia, calcium, bones and teeth weak, vitamin C deficiency, scurvy, vitamin D deficiency, rickets. Only 4 are there for you. So usually it is all vitamin deficiency diseases are given in the syllabus. So textbook mein only few are there, so I'm not giving you much. Okay, because you have to learn these. What is the function? What are the sources of these vitamins, and what is a deficiency disease, and what happens in that disease? Okay. Is it clear till here? Okay, now not too much. Now you know that these nutrients are important for our body. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि भर भर के खा लिया, जमा कर लिया. Okay, because then it is harmful also. If too much of anything is there, it is harmful for our body. So not too much. There are some nutrients that you should avoid eating too much. Too much sugar make your teeth decay. Too much fat in the diet can increase the risk of developing heart disease when you are older. Okay, eating too much fat and carbohydrate may mean that you take in more energy and you are not using it, so it is getting stored in your body. Okay, and that leads to obesity. So the body stores these extra nutrients as fat. Everyone needs some fat stores. So your body needs fat store, but excess of fat storage is also not good for your body. Everyone needs some fat stores, but it is not good to have too much. Being seriously overweight can cause damage to joints, increase the risk of developing heart disease and diabetes. Okay, so that is why excess of anything, excess of carbohydrate and fat is not good for your body. How much is required? You should use that thing. If you are playing a lot, you are utilizing your fat stores. Okay, but if you're not doing anything and eating just fatty food, junk food, so that is getting accumulated in your body. At younger age, you don't come to know, but as you grow older, you will have these diseases. You will develop obesity and joint pain and heart disease, diabetes, which is not good. Okay, so we should be healthy, have physical activity so that your fats, whatever we are eating, gets utilized and okay, and doesn't get stored up in your body. So what should we do? Don't eat too much food containing lot of fat. Eat plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables. Make sure you eat enough food to keep you strong and fit. Under eating is also not good. Okay. Eat wide variety of foods, including something from each of the food groups in the photograph each day. Okay, there is a question here. The sentence below are reasons for the piece of advice the students are giving. Okay, match each reason with the piece of advice. So these are reasons. This means you will get some of each kind of nutrient, including the different vitamins and minerals.
Ma'am, the eat plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables.
Yeah. So which one? Which one?
The
यहाँ पे
eat plenty.
Purple scarf. Eat plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables.
is it that? This one, no?
Ma'am, it's
It's this one. Eat a
white
wide variety of foods, including something from each of the food groups in the photograph each day. This means you will get some of each kind of nutrient, including the different vitamins and minerals. Understood?
Yes. Okay.
So this is for this one, this is the reason. For this advice, this
For
is the reason.
second one, eat plenty of fresh fruit
Second
and
one,
vegetables.
these contain fiber and lots of vitamins. Now, what will be the advice?
Eat plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables.
Yes. Okay. C1, this often contains a lot of fat and very few vitamins, minerals. It is fine to eat some of it as long as you eat plenty of other kinds of food as well.
Ma'am, the first don't eat too much food containing a lot of fat.
And what about fast food?
Ma'am, it's fast food, ma'am.
It is fast food, no? This often contains
Why?
lot of fat and very few minerals. Don't eat too much fast food. For this, you will have this one. Okay. Not eating enough food. Fast food has mostly junk food, na? That is why
Yes, ma'am, it
often
is fat.
lot of
Ma'am,
fat.
it's the second one. The second one, not eating enough. Can you go up,
Food will
ma'am?
prevent the cells, tissues, and organs in your body having enough energy to keep healthy.
Yes, ma'am, to keep fit and the one that eat plenty.
Yes,
Make
take
sure you eat enough to keep you healthy.
Keep you
Yes.
strong and fit. Yes. When you get older, it can increase your risk of getting heart disease or diabetes.
Don't eat too much food containing a lot of
Fat. Understood? Can you do this? Can you do this at home? Match the following.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number?
Yes.
This is page number 21. Write it in your notebook with the matching advice and reason. Okay. I'm writing it over here. I'm not writing it in Google Classroom because you just have to copy. We have discussed it here. Write it in your notebook, homework. First, you will write the advice. Okay. And yahan pe you will write the reason. Okay. So advice mein you will write, make sure you can eat food. So, and then you will write the reason behind it.
And which page number is this?
This is page number 21.
So, ma'am, the reason we write on our
Yes.
Ma'am, do we only have to do the first question or all of the
Ma'am, the
questions?
reason we will write on our
All the one question, na, A, B, C, D, all parts. Just a minute, I'm not getting the person. Going to show you once again, wait. This is page number 21. You have to write these statement, these are advice. So 5 advice and 5 reason you have to match from here. Okay, so advice and reason, samne, you just have to write and match. Okay,
so ma'am,
that is
reason
your homework.
reason कौन से है and advice कौन से है?
This one is advice, na? I told you so.
Yes, sir.
Advice,
And
these children
yes,
are
sir.
giving, these are advice, and
So
you
the
have to
reason-
match reason. Yes, you have to match
reasons
the
we will
reason.
write on our own.
No, these are the reason you have to match it. Just now we did, na? You were not there, Abdullah. For
No, ma'am, I
example,
was there.
Just now we had to match the advice with the reasons.
you were not attentive. See, जैसे कि first है, don't eat too much fast food. If I say don't
Ma'am,
eat,
so we
यहाँ
did
पे
it
and
with, we did
हाँ,
it with
advice
that
पे
only.
लिखा. First I write don't eat too much. ठीक है, fast food. तो यहाँ पे reason में what will I write in the reason? The last one was there, na?
Yes, ma'am, the fast food is where there is lot of junk food and no mineral.
When you get older, it can increase your risk of getting heart disease or diabetes. So you will write it over here. Reason क्या हुआ? When you get older, नहीं, too much of fast food का तो दूसरा था.
Yes,
What was
ma'am,
it?
it was too much fats and very less vitamins.
हाँ, this often contains a lot of fat. So C वाला point you will write, okay? C. Often contain lot of fat. Like this you have to write. Understood how you have to do? Then second one you write don't eat, eat plenty of fresh fruit. Like this you can write and then match the reason over here. सामने में reason you will write. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So that is your homework. That's all for today's class. See you tomorrow in maths. Complete this homework. Science class
Bye.
में I'll check your homework. Bye.
Bye.